Welcome back to DigitalOE TV. In today's video, we'll discuss 5 steps with which you can optimize your AdWord account and improve your results. Let's get started. Step 1 is to identify your goals. The first step is to set the goals you wish to achieve with your AdWord campaigns. Identifying the goals that motivate your brand, company, and you are crucial to optimizing your account that aligns with them and garner results. If you don't have a specific goal for your campaigns, here are few suggested AdWord goals we usually see. First one is to increase conversion volume. This is for repeat rate with a high customer lifetime value. Decreased cost per conversion. If your business has struggled to achieve any profits in AdWord, this goal is for you. Third one is to increase market share. If your brand is new or has a new product where you need to increase the exposure. Fourth one is increase ROAS or ROAS. This is where we direct the budget towards highest revenue products, influencing higher average order values to ensure that you get the highest dollar return per advertising dollar that you spent. Step 2 is the campaign settings. There are a lot of settings and presets that do detailed targeting. While auditing your AdWord account on your own, start with these settings. First one is campaign type. If you are just starting out, we recommend using all features as your campaign type for leveraging customizable settings. This is because standard limits you to customize your campaign. Second one is networks, that is search network versus display select network settings. We recommend you avoid these campaigns because of the search network and display network work with different intent. This setting needs to be at par. What should you want to achieve or what is your goal with respect to search campaign or the display campaign. Search partners default. Stick with the settings for greater benefits. If monitored closely, this will help you to increase exposure and promote brand awareness. Fourth one is the normal settings like location, ad schedule, and devices. If you select the all feature options in your Google AdWords, you can customize your bid adjustment based on location, ad schedule, and device settings. Step 3. Keywords match. Keywords are the phrases that trigger the appearance of ads on Google searches. It is important to target different relevant keywords than limiting your campaign to only one keyword. Also make sure to avoid negative keywords for boosting your campaign performance. Types of keyword match can be broad match, shows your ad for a wide range of searches, including closely related words. Broad match modified limits the range of searches by adding a plus sign in front of the keyword, excluding closely related keywords. Phrase match. Your ad shows for a search query that includes your phrase match as the keyword. Exact match. The highest level of limitations on the range of searches by using brackets for the keyword. The big bracket represent that the until unless the words are not exactly match and in the same sequence, your ad will not be triggered. Step 4. Appropriate ad creations. Once you set up your Google AdWord account, you can begin creating ads on display network. There are ads that are displayed while your target audience is browsing the internet using website or third-party apps. Type of ads that you can create can be responsive ads. They are adapted to million of ad spaces, transforming from text to image ads. Expanded text ads. In these ads, the ad preview will be not sure what the online users will actually see. It can be expanded, as the name suggests. Dynamic text ads. You can upgrade to dynamic ads by linking text ads in remarketing campaigns to Google Merchant Center product data. Type of visual formats. Native format. This type of text ad adapts to the look, feel, and content of a publisher's site. Image format. To improve text ad performance, Google may use your logo or our image could be used in the image format ads. Most important step, the last step, is goal setup. Based on your business goals, you can set your campaign goals to ease your decision making. You can select a goal when you create a campaign. The goal that you choose must align with the type of result you want from your campaign. For example, website traffic or sales or lead conversions. Once you select your goal, you will see the recommended features that will help you with your campaign. Types of goal for each campaign. Goals for search campaigns. It can be in the form of sales, which drive sales or conversion online, in app, by phone, or in store. Or it also helps you to engage with customers who have already contacted you or are close to making a purchase decision. Second one is leads. Encourage relevant customers to express interest in your product or services by signing up for a newsletter or providing their contact information or by filling a form or an inquiry had been submitted. The third one is website traffic. In this particular goal, we generally drive potential customers or users to visit your website and then they can take the next step as mentioned on your website. Goals for display campaign. It can be in the form of sales, leads, website traffic, or it can also be in the form of product and brand consideration. By that we mean that it encourages potential customers to explore what you offer. Educate people about what makes your product or services unique. It also helps you to increase your brand awareness and reach, increases awareness of your product or services. Introduce customers to what you offer when releasing a new product or expanding your business into a new area. The last step would be the conversion tracking setup. This is needed so that you will be easily be able to track the conversion, the sales or any sort of goals you have kept there. With conversion tracking, you can monitor the performance of your ad. You can see how effective your ad click result in valuable customer activity on your website. For example, signups, form submissions, purchases, conversions. Here is what you need for setting up website conversion tracking. A website, this is setting up conversion tracking code. You need to be the owner of the website or you need to ask your webmaster so that he or she will be able to add the tracking code to the website. How to create a tracking code? To create a conversion action, we need to go on to the Google AdWords and create the tracking code. To install the tag, we need to have the webmaster admin details for the website, or we can directly integrate it into the Google Tag Manager and install it. While structuring your account, you need to ask the following questions. Whoever does their AdWord campaigns on their own, they need to ask these questions first before setting up any new campaign. How many campaign types do you use for your ads? Or are you going to use it? How many campaigns every campaign type or ad sets every campaign is gonna have? How many ad groups do you have in the campaign? Do you use only search campaigns or are you going to invest in display campaigns as well? These are the initial level of questions which everyone needs to answer. And then once these questions are answered, you can find the other things and do the audit as we have mentioned in our video till now. Customizing your AdWord account to fit your requirement is one of the many steps you must take to streamline your online advertising process. If you would instead focus on other areas of your business, we are happy to take on this work for you. We are going to save you the money and increase the conversions or leads or sales, whatever you are receiving or whatever your goals is with your AdWord campaigns. Contact us to schedule a free AdWord consultation to walk you through the process of understanding your present AdWord performance trends and find out what you can do to boost it. Until then, happy digital marketing.